This is David Wildman here and welcome to Btekt. Btekt is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. Direct Mobiles have 23 years of award-winning customer service. All the latest phones at excellent prices, so they're definitely worth checking out. Check the description below to find a link to their website and see the deals for yourself. Now on with today's video. So we might have two new devices from Apple within the next few months. So this rumor is still fresh, so we don't know a lot about the devices, but here's what we can tell you. The new devices will be running iOS 12 and will have designs very similar to iPhone 10. Current speculation points to these being new high-end iPads or iPad Pro models that include Face ID using a true depth camera and edge-to-edge 11-inch display. Seems like Apple is really pushing their devices to handle more advanced tech and much more complex applications. Speaking of complex applications, a full version of Photoshop is in development for the iPad. A recent interview with Adobe Creative Cloud's Chief Producing Officer, Scott Belsky, had us pondering on the possibility of a portable, full design on-the-fly solution. He stated that, "My aspiration is to get these on the market as soon as possible. There is a lot required to take a product as sophisticated and as powerful as Photoshop and make that work on a modern device like the iPad. We need to bring our products into this cloud-first collaborative era." So I think we can all agree that Photoshop for the iPads is going to be a very interesting design solution in the very near future. Adobe plans to reveal it at their annual Max Creative Conference in October, just after the release of the new iPhones in September. Which reminds me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming review of these amazing devices in the future. Lastly, I'm sure you've heard all the rumors about the upcoming Galaxy Note 9. Seems like we're going to get a device that looks very similar to the Note 8, although we're going to see improved camera performance and battery life, but also a new souped up S Pen, which uses batteries, but will be recharged when you place it back into the device. I know a lot of people are looking forward to the Note 9. The Note 8 was one of my favourite phones from last year, so I'm really looking forward to it myself. Btekt will be at the launch event, and as soon as the handsets become available, we will have one for review. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to know about the Note 9 as soon as it's available. Well, that's it from me. Lots more new Btekt content coming your way very soon, so subscribe to keep up on your tech news. I've been David Wildman and this is Btekt.